and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to show you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me some items to share with you all. So we'll start with the thinnest one, I think. They all look to be about the same size, but they're different thickness. So it's probably different sizes. So this first one is a 30 by 30 and it is in round and it was just pretty. Purely just pretty. It is like a field of flowers. The actual print size is 25 by 25, so it should be quite easy to find a frame for. 10-inch frame maybe should work for that. And I just really liked it. I thought it would look nice in many rooms. I'm often thinking of sort of rooms and decor things sometimes when I'm picking a painting. Sometimes it's purely just because the picture makes me smile, but quite often it's like that would look really nice, you know, in a corner of a room maybe. This is all in baggies, which makes it a lot easier for me to show you all the colours. But look, we've got some gorgeous pops of colour in there along with, and if I turn it over that just catches sort of the white and the yellow on the other side. But there is 24 colours. They do have DMC numbers, which is good. There's no 310. There is a bit of 939, but not too much. There is quite a bit of blue, but I do like blue. We get a standard toolkit of boat, wax and pen. And that will be, you know, it won't take too long to do with it being 25 by 25. Still take a few days though, I would have thought. Okay, number 2. We get into this one. This one seems a bit bigger because it's definitely thicker. Oh, this one is an 80 by 30. So it's still only as tall as the other one, but it's a lot longer. I like this size for sort of above doorways, but I just thought this was really sweet with the birds on the top. Again, it has DMC numbers, which is good. We don't have any 310. We don't even have any 939 either. 823 looks to be the darkest, or 154. It's 23 colours, and let's have a look. What is the actual canvas size on this one? Is 74.5 by just under 25, probably near 24.5. But it's got a nice background, so if you do like confetti, there's not huge blocks of stuff. We do have 2 pens. See, they expect you to share these diamond paints, don't they? 2 pens, 2 boats and 2 lots of wax, in case you are a sharer. This one does also come in bags as well. They're making my life easier. I do like these ones that comes in bags now. But we have nice, quite muted blues with some cream. It's just more of well, I suppose they're both really calming pictures, though the other one has pops of colour. This one, not as much. In fact, there's not really any pops of colour at all. There's some yellow, but there's not much of that, and that'll probably get lost in with the shading, and there is a little bit of green. But I do like the colour palette on this one. That would go in my bedroom, actually. That would probably go quite nice in the bedroom somewhere. Very nice. Okay, let's fold that one up a little bit while we have a look at, last but by no means least, feels like another one that was long but thin. I like those. They're always easy to work with as well. Oh, all the way up for this one. Now this one we have a lot more colour, but it is longer. This one is 100 by 30, but look at that for stunning. Absolutely stunning. This would look really nice, probably in a bedroom, though maybe in a front room. So what is the actual length? It is 94 centimetres by 25. Ooh. So you do lose a few centimetres, of course, for the edges. There is 24 colours and no 310 in all three of them. There is a bit of 939 in this one though. That's where you get your dark bits. Down here, yeah, the W symbol. The symbols look good on all of these. They do use white on black and black on white, but the shading in this one is beautiful. Again, they give you a double kit in case you want to share. And look at the colours in this one. So a lot more vibrant. The last one was more muted. This one, definitely, if you're a lover of purple, there is a lot of different purple shades and some pink, which is what you get in the sort of skyline. Really nice. I do like these long, thin ones to work on. Gorgeous. So I will pop links, of course, to them all down below, but we do have a couple of long ones today. Gorgeous purple tree, beautiful birdies. In fact, they're all pretty much home decor type ones, and we've got a field of flowers. So thank you to FGNormal for sending me these. As always, they are amazing and they look really, really fun to do. Thank you to you guys for watching. Do check out the links in the description below. There are plenty more paintings on the site as well, of course. These were just my choices for today, and I will speak to you all again soon.